Hi guys, welcome to our surprise color palette coloring challenge. I'm Crystal Salamon and this is challenge number 2 in our 4 challenges for our autism coloring contest. Now remember, for every page that you color and submit to the contest, not only do you get a chance to win a ton of cool prizes, but $1 is donated on your behalf by our sponsors. And some other local businesses. So the more you color, the more money is donated to the cause and you don't have to spend any of your own money. Cool, right? Yeah. So get coloring. It's for all ages. You can submit as many pages as you want and it goes until April 30th. So go for it. All right. So, for all of the information for the contest too, you can go to mortgagetree.ca/contest. And it will explain how to submit your image. You will send a picture of your colored page to Facebook with the hashtag mortgagetree. Make sure that you set your post to public and not friends so that we can see it. For other options, go to mortgagetree.com/contest and you can find other ways to submit it. All right, let's get rolling. Challenge number 2 is our surprise color palette challenge. So what does that mean? It means that I'm picking your colors for you. I have a few different combinations of colors, and when you go to find it online, a number will be drawn randomly for you to tell you which colors you should use. So go to crystalsalmon.com/autism awareness. In here, you will look for challenge number 2. And when you get there, it will give you your random number, which will show you your palette. Now, if you don't have those exact colors, that's okay. Just pick as close as you can to whatever is there and have fun with it. Here are some examples of people who have done the surprise color palette challenge. Aren't these fun? I love it. So if you mention when you submit your page that this was part of the challenge, then I will add it to my online gallery. And if you would like to check out other examples like this in the online gallery, just go again to crystalsalmon.com/autism awareness and look for this challenge. All right. So again, this is where you can find all the information, and this is where you can find the contest or the challenge details. And thank you again for all of your pages, for all of your support, your shares, your likes, your comments. They all make a big difference. And thank you, huge thank you to our sponsors. Awesome. Have fun, guys. Happy coloring.